Hey everyone, tired of manually finding leads on LinkedIn? What if I told you there's a way to automate the whole process? Today, I'm showing you how to set up a bot that scrapes emails from your LinkedIn searches, writes personalized messages, and even sends them out through Gmail. I think of it like this: you find your ideal customers on LinkedIn, the bot gathers their contact info, and then uses a fancy AI tool to craft a personalized email introducing yourself. Cool, right? Let's break it down into steps. First, we need to create an account with a service called PhantomBuster. Think of it like a tool that lets you build little robots to automate tasks on websites. Easy. Once you're in, we'll find a pre-made robot specifically designed to grab email addresses from LinkedIn searches. Next, we need to tell the robot where to look. Just do your normal search on LinkedIn for the kind of people you want to connect with. Then, copy the entire search URL from the address bar. Think of it like the robot's map to find the right people. Now comes the magic. We'll connect the robot to another service called Make Previously Integromat. This is like a central hub that connects all the tools together. Here, we'll tell Make to use the information the robot gathered and feed it to a super cool AI tool called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a super-powered email writer. We'll give it some basic instructions and it will craft a personalized message for each person on your list. Imagine sending hundreds of personalized emails without lifting a finger. The last step is to connect your Gmail account. This is where the emails will actually be sent. Make sure everything is connected properly and then, ta-da, you're ready to test it out. Don't worry, we won't spam anyone. Just send a test email to yourself to see how it looks. If everything seems good, then you're all set. But wait, there's more. In my next video, I'll show you how to automate this entire process. That means the robot will run automatically, scrape new leads, send emails, all without you having to do anything. So are you ready to take your lead generation to the next level? Stick around for the next video and we'll make this process completely hands-off.